A recent analysis by political commentator Chiwenga suggested that the perceived rift between Vice President Chiwenga and prominent businessman Tagwirei is an orchestrated political drama rather than a genuine power struggle within the ruling ZANU-PF party that has turned opposing figures into real spectators of ZANU-PF mnangagwa. Sabina mashoko kutapambana achisi awa Chiwenga versus Tagwirei fight is just a deliberate theatrical production to confuse opposition. Subscribe or like button today. Chibina mnauzeri mubani kwa mchinzi. Chikomo stated that the current opposition is not oppositional. It is epiphenomenal. It does not offer an antithesis. It offers commentary. It is now spectators of ZANU-PF mnangagwa, locked in analysis of intra-party theater, instead of constructing an external alternative center of gravity. He added, Zimbabwe is not witnessing a split, but a staging, a deliberate theatrical production where ZANU-PF plays both protagonist and antagonist, thereby absorbing and neutralizing all external contestation, the analyst said. This comes at a time when it reports that Tagwirei was recently asked to leave a ZANU Central Committee meeting. They fueled speculation about a succession veto ahead of ZANU-PF Congress in 2027 and the next harmonious general elections. However, Chikomo's perspective, as detailed in the article posted on X, reframes this as a controlled contradiction or a masterstroke in controlled contradiction. He contended that ZANU-PF, rather than pregnant, is manufacturing its own internal conflicts to dominate all political discourse. Chikomo stated that the current opposition is not oppositional, it is epiphenomenal. It does not offer an epicenter. If the opposition is serious, it must exit the theater. It must refuse to be an audience to ZANU-PF's curated drama. It must build new infrastructure, ideological depth, organizational form, and community penetration. It must re-emerge as something outside of ZANU-PF discussing monopoly. Otherwise, it will remain where it is now, talking about power, but not contending for it. Added. ZANU-PF is currently grappling with intensifying factional battles that are widely believed to be tied to succession politics within the ruling party. Chiwenga, a key figure in the 2017 military-assisted transition that brought President Mnangagwa to power, is reportedly ready to block any plans to extend Mnangagwa's term of office beyond 2028. While Mnangagwa is reportedly willing to appear to replace him when his term of office ends, Chiwenga, a front-runner in the succession request, is opposed to this. Yomashuba Aripangwa Tuzema Kuro any people to the Chiwenga, and sponsors of the